One of the groups that, as you can imagine, is impacted more than any other is our players. Had a chance to visit with them just a few moments ago, and I know there's been a lot of speculation about why we didn't talk to the players prior to our public release of the information today. Let's all understand that this is not 10 years ago. Information travels faster than any of us can possibly understand. And so we knew that the first person we wanted to hear about this was Bill Cubit. I had a chance to sit and talk with Coach Cubit this morning, and as soon as he left that office, people started to find out. The other coaches, by the time I left his office and got back to my own, we were already getting calls from the media. The only way that we could preserve the opportunity to tell the story in the way in which it needs to be told was to announce it immediately and bring the team together after the fact. I had a chance to talk with them about that just a few moments ago.